Hardwiring a dashcam to the vehicle's fuse box is one of the most common installation methods to power your camera. In order to utilize the AI-12's full features, such as active standby, the camera must be connected to a constant 12-volt power source. Please note, the hardwiring kit includes two wires, one red wire that connects to a constant 12-volt power source, and a black ground wire that will go to a metal ground bolt. Warning: this type of installation should only be performed by a qualified technician. Working with your vehicle's power system can be dangerous for you and your vehicle. If you have any concerns, consult a professional. You are now ready to connect your camera to power. The first step is to locate your fuse box. To do so, check the car owner's manual for the fuse box location. It may vary depending on the vehicle model. Once you've located it, remove the plastic panel to access the fuse box. It may open simply by lifting a tab, pulling it with your fingers, or using a flat tool to insert and separate the cover. Now that you can access the fuse box, you need to decipher which fuse to use to attach the wire. Use a circuit tester to test which fuse is constant, typically red, and provides 12 volts of power. A fuse that is constant will stay active when the car is off. The camera will automatically enter standby mode when the car is not moved for 10 minutes. We recommend using the Add a Fuse kit, included in our essential install package, for a more secure, long-lasting installation. The Add a Fuse kit provides a fuse slot for the existing OEM circuit, constant or ignition switch, and another fuse slot for the new circuit for the dashcam device. First, insert the new fuse tab provided in the kit into slot 1, and the fuse from the fuse box into slot 2, constant or ignition switch. If you place them in the wrong order, it will not feed power to the hardware kit. Second, connect the hardwiring cable with the terminal crimp connector from the Add a Fuse kit. Trim off some of the rubber tubing to expose the wiring on your hardwiring cable, then crimp them down together. You should be able to crimp the fuse kit with standard needle nose pliers. We recommend using electrical tape to further secure the wire. Third, connect your Add a Fuse kit to the vehicle fuse slot that you have chosen. The ground wire is usually in a C shape or a ring. To connect the ground wire, slip it under a metal bolt or screw in your vehicle. Next, loosen the bolt enough to slip the wire in and tighten. You might need a socket wrench set. A loose ground can result in power issues for your dashcam. We recommend grounding your wire to an unpainted bare metal bolt. Plug the power cable to the dash camera. Start your vehicle to test if the camera powers up. Once confirmed, run the power cable along the headliner of the car, along the A-pillar to the power source for a clean installation.